Today we participated in the Caribe Wave Tsunami exercise for 2026. We were in the districts of Labrie, Vieux-Fort South, and Choiseul. We had a very successful exercise. Coming out of Labrie, we looked at the credit union, we did the Labrie Boys and Girls School, and the administrative building.
I was assigned to the Labrie Girls RC Primary School, and I felt that the response was very swift. The girls moved in a very orderly manner, especially the kindergartners. And throughout the exercise, the kindergartner teacher was reassuring them, and they moved very quickly up the steps. And within 4 minutes, the first girls were already within a relatively safe zone.
I believe that it went well. Our students responded quickly and efficiently to the ringing of the bell. I think we got there within a couple minutes to our locations, and everybody responded well. Our teachers had the registers to do a count, and then there was somebody to verify whether all our students were there. I think this is very important in the event of disaster, that our students know what to do.
And I'm very quite happy that today we were able to participate in this tsunami simulation. I think that it is quite important for us to know what to do in the event of such a disaster, that when it does occur, if that occurs, that we will know how to respond accordingly and save as much lives as possible. So kudos to the team today who made this possible for Labrie and the businesses in Labrie as well.
From all indications, it went very well. We had our two schools participating, our credit union, we also had our administrative building, and also some business establishments participated. They closed up, they evacuated, and that was analyzed. And then it went well, it went very well. From all reports, the evacuation procedures went well. People knew what they had to do.
Most of the individuals in those establishments were able to get the message on time and evacuate within a 4 to 5 minute space of time up on higher ground. So it was a very successful drill.
I'm very happy that this exercise took place in Labrie, because Labrie is now is the only community thus far in St. Lucia that has attained the tsunami readiness status with UNESCO. And today was a real drill for all the practice that we've had, and I am very happy to see that from all expectations, all our expectations were met, and it means that the drills that we had done, the practice sessions that we had went well, and the people are serious about that. So I am sure next time this exercise comes around, we'll probably get the entire community going, and I'm sure it's going to be a successful one.
I think that such an exercise is extremely important, because the more frequently we do it, the more likely it is that the children will respond in a calm manner and will not panic in the event of an actual tsunami.
Coming out of information received from Vieux-Fort South, where they did the POSEC division, all the teachers as well as the students evacuated up to Mulashik at a very good time, and everybody was accounted for. Same goes out for Choiseul, as reported by our assessors in that district. The Choiseul Credit Union, they were evacuated on time, everybody responded, and they were aware of the muster point where they had to move. They moved orderly, and everybody was accounted for. So overall, we had a very successful tsunami drill for this year.
Special thanks to NEMO for doing this initiative. I think it was very good and very important that they do that. And I would also encourage them to do it in other areas, for instance, for earthquakes, so the children who know that the drop, cover, and roll, and that it will bring awareness, just not to the students, but to the students at home. So in the event that this tsunami drill does happen, and so in the community, they will know exactly where the assembly points are, so the awareness will be good for everybody. Thank you.
NEMO extends a special thank you to the Royal St. Lucia Police Force for their exemplary work done in ensuring that the sirens and persons evacuated throughout the various districts. So again, to the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, thank you. To the community members who participated, thank you that persons are so involved. We're seeing that compared to last year, this year a lot more persons are involved within the communities. A lot of persons moved, even those outside of the establishment that we were evaluating. I also want to recognize and extend thank you to our evaluators, our district disaster committee members who took time out, our assessors to assist us in ensuring that this exercise was a success. Thank you.